In this video, we show you how to fix the unidentified occurred message in the PlayStation Store on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, before you do anything to your console, you should first check if the PlayStation network itself is down. From the home screen, go to Settings, and the Network, Connection Status, and select View PlayStation Network Status. If it shows that the PlayStation Store is having issues, you just have to wait for Sony to fix it. If there's no problem with the server, you can select Test Internet Connection and see if it's your internet that's causing the problem. You can watch our video on how to fix your internet on PS5. Alright, if your internet is okay, the first thing you should do is restart your PS5. Press the PS button on your controller, go to the power icon and select Restart PS5. See if that fixes it. Now if that doesn't work, try fully turning off your console for about 30 to 60 seconds and then turn it back on. The next thing you can do is check in your payment method. This error is usually related to your credit or debit card. So from the PS5 home screen, navigate to the top right and select the gear icon to go to Settings. And this time go to Users and Account, and then Account, and select Payment and Subscription. Go to Payment Method, and here try removing your payment method and adding it back. Now if you still have the problem, you can try buying the game on your phone using the PlayStation app or by logging into the PlayStation Store on your computer.